welcome back to my channel. I'm Rae of DivaMePlz, a beginner nail tech, showing you my journey and hoping it helps you along yours. What's up, guys? In today's video, I will be doing some swatches as well as a mini review of the Nail Addict brand. So these products were sent to me for me to try out, and I'm super excited. I have heard a lot about this brand and have seen them all over my Explore and my news feed, my timeline on Instagram, and I am so excited to try them out for myself. So these products, or this brand, is located in LA. So that's Los Angeles, California. So it is a US based company. That is a plus. They are also vegan free. They are also cruelty free and 9 free. Those three things are a plus. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video and see these beautiful colors that I have. Alright, so these are the colors that I received from Nail Addict LA. I received their base coat as well as their top coat, and then I asked for Purple Addict, isn't that a super pretty purple? And then I purchased Marry Me. Ooh, that is a really pastel pink there. And then I received Not Ashamed. And if you guys know me well enough, you know I love glitter colors. Ooh. Look at that. Super freaking pretty. Alright, let's start swatching these colors. Of course, you have to start off with the base, just to make sure that the color is as pretty as it needs to be. Always use base. I know I tend to be a little heavy-handed when I do my gel colors. I can't help it. Last but not least, just one more color. Well, rather one more swatch. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and cure these for 60 seconds. So starting with Purple Addict. So this is just the first coat. And of course, you always need to do 2 coats for gel polish, unless it is a really opaque color. So again, their brand is vegan free, which means they never use any animal derived ingredients in their formulas. And then next we have Marry Me. This definitely seems to be a bit more opaque than the purple. Really loving this color, and the consistency of this color as well is awesome. And they are also cruelty free, which means they never test their ingredients, gels, or any products on any animals. Isn't that a plus, guys? What are you guys thinking about these colors? Let me know down in the comment box below. And last but not least, we have Not Ashamed. This is so cute. I am in love with this glitter. They are also 9 free, which means they remove the 9 most harmful chemicals from their formula. Isn't that awesome as well? Let's go ahead and clear this first coat. And this is what they look like after the first coat has been cured. Let's get into the second coat now. And that is the second coat. And that is the second coat of Marry Me. And here is going to be the second coat of Not Ashamed. How is that looking? This color is so freaking pretty. I am absolutely in love with this one. So this is what they are looking like all applied. And now let's go cure it for another 60 seconds. And here are what they look like after they have been cured for the second coat. These look freaking amazing. Now let's go ahead and apply the top coat. That is Marry Me all top coated. And here is Purple Addict. Top coated. And then Not Ashamed. And let's cure these for 2 minutes to see how they finish off. All right, guys, so these are what the colors are looking like after they have been fully cured for 2 minutes. And the top coat is not a not cleanse top coat, so you will have to cleanse it with some alcohol after you take it out of the light. But look how gorgeous these colors are. They are freaking pretty. So you guys can receive 45% off if you are interested in these colors or any of the other beautiful colors that Nail Addict have on their site. Use code RAE, R-A-E, for 45% off. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Comment down below of what else you would like to see on my nail channel. Consider subscribing to my channel. I upload every Tuesday and Friday. Make sure you turn on the notification bell so that you are not late to the party. And make sure you also share this with all of your other beginner nail tech friends so that we can all learn and grow together. And last but not least, follow me on Instagram and Facebook at ADDICT so that you can see all of my nail work, since I am in a salon down here in Orlando. So make sure you stay up to date with me. Okay, guys? Until next time, bye.